Hi guys, Lee Cole here. Hope you're having a great day. Want to show you this really great training product that my buddy Jim Mack is going to be launching tomorrow. Tomorrow being the 8th of February. I completely love this. Let me just walk you through some things. This is the sales letter. Don't worry, I'm not going to sit here and read you the sales letter. That's stupid. You can do that yourself. But anyway, it's called Auto Shop Marketing Confidential. That's the name of the training product. And obviously, it's all about selling offline services to automobile repair shops. That is a really cool niche. I have had several automobile repair shop clients myself. The automobile repair business has changed dramatically over the past 10 years. I mean, now you've got mobile mechanics. I mean, for certain things like windows and stuff like that, you've got very specialized businesses that will come out and, actually do that one thing. This has taken a lot of business away from the independent shops. And the business is just incredibly competitive. These guys need your help, and they especially need for you to do the kinds of things that Jim is talking about here. Now, let me draw your attention to this subheadline in the sales letter, and then we're going to go over here to the members area, and I'm going to show you around some stuff. And just 6 shops equals $110,000. That's per year in your pocket. 6 clients. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how could that be? How could 6 clients end up, being really a full-time income for you? Well, Jim's got it all figured out, and I want to show you. This is brilliant. I want to show you exactly why he says that and why that's something that you can do. This is, if you're a newbie or if you're just getting started or you're trying to start but having a little trouble getting some traction, this is completely beautiful. Jim lays out every step of the way, everything you need to do. But anyway, let's go over here to the members area. And I was actually looking at this video, services to offer repair shops. Let me just kind of go over these little, these little subheads here. Introduction and mindset. Finding auto repair shops to work with. In other words, how do you find clients? How do you contact them? And just so you know, in a very non-threatening, non-scary way. Fulfilling the services. So, social media management, lead generation, SEO, selling websites. Oh my God, a lot of these guys really need to have a new website. Citation services and all the resources you need. Jim does none of this work himself. He's just a salesperson, and that's what he suggests that you be. That's also what I teach people. Resources, in other words, outsourcers to do all this stuff for you. As you can see, this is a complete soup to nuts, A to Z training that anybody can do. But I want to actually, let's roll this video back some. Now, obviously, you're not going to be able to hear the video. But I want to show you a particular screen right here. Let's make this a little bigger. Now, services to offer. Ideas of cheap services you can sell. Now, you may be thinking, well, wait a minute, Lee, you said $110,000 a year. How am I going to do that selling $47.97, $47, and $67 one-off services? This is just the beginning. Just the beginning. So the way Jim works this, the way he works his own business and the way he teaches people like you to do this, you get clients with very easy foot in the door services. No brainers. Most of these guys and gals, their Facebook page was updated like 3 years ago or something ridiculous like that. They need basic help. They need basic page updating. They need basic social media marketing, just management, right? Claiming Google My Business listing and optimizing that. $97 just to walk them through the claiming process. You can charge a little more if you're planning on optimizing that. Give them 50, just 50 citations, just like a basic package. Now you're going to get somebody else to do this, and that's in the resource section. But, just charge them a little bit for basic citations. 5-star reviews for reputation management, $67. Again, basic stuff. So how do you go from there to making $110,000? And I just love the way Jim explains this. See, those foot in the door services are literally just that, foot in the door services. You cannot make a living selling cheap one-off services. You must get into recurring revenue services. I teach that. That's the way I run my business. That's really the only way this business is going to work for you. And that's exactly what Jim teaches. And I think that's one of the reasons why I'm so excited about this, because he teaches this in a very, very clear way. You may not be able to quite see these steps, but anyway, you're going to sell entry-level services, and you only need to find 6 or so clients who are willing to pay you more. Mid-level services like, just one-page designs and, just some more social media posting and stuff like that. Higher level services, on-page SEO, Google My Business ranking, in other words, ongoing citation type things, plus other things to do for Google My Business, up to big ticket services. You only need 6 clients this way. So if it's not 6, you only need 10 clients this way. All right. You're not going to be going out there and finding clients every month. That's stupid. That's a way to just kill yourself and not make much money. Believe me, that's actually how I started years ago. And I learned very rapidly that the real gold was in recurring income services. And I love the way Jim starts this out with you selling very, very easy, no-brainer services, and then moving a select few clients up the food chain to where they're paying you, to where each one of them is paying you several $1,000s a month. And really all you're doing is just selling them ongoing stuff that you're outsourcing to someone else for massively less, okay, for only like 10% of your revenue. An underserved market, automobile shops. Believe me, offline consultants are not hitting up automobile shops. There are over 200,000 automobile shops in the United States alone. Every developed nation has automobiles. They're machines. They break. There are automobile shops everywhere. It's a fairly easy business for people to start. It's a fairly low barrier business for people to start. Unfortunately, once they start it, they are in intense competition with everyone else, and that's why they need you. And this is the perfect product to teach you how to serve this market and to build a real business for yourself. Now, my name's Lee Cole. I hope you enjoyed this video wherever you're looking at it. If you're looking at it on YouTube, just scroll down, click the first link in the description box. That will take you to my bonus page. You'll see a bunch of cool bonuses you can get if you buy this through my link. Whether you buy it through my link or not, just buy it, okay? This is really... Jim makes fabulous products. This, to my mind, is probably the best training he's ever made, and he's one of the top trainers in this niche. So get this, learn how to do this, build a real business that will actually change your life. Thank you so much for looking at this. I'm Lee Cole, and I will talk with you very, very soon.